So many of us are aware that we use a lab view, and what is the purpose of the lab view? So lab view means actually it is laboratory virtual instrument engineering workbench. It is a graphical programming unlike other programmings because there is no need to write code. There is no need to write any syntaxes here. There is no need to write any form of the code here. Only thing you need to do here is to select a block, drag it, and then connect it. It's very easy. So nowadays we can see that AI is doing very good work. It is minimizing the human efforts. So in a similar way, in writing the programming also, even LabVIEW is also one of the tool which is used to write the program very easily. And why we can write the program very easily means here, because there is no need of writing any code. Just we drag whatever block we need or whatever operation we need. According to that operation, we drag that block and then connect it, and then we see the sequential flow here. And many of you might be in a doubt by learning the lab view, is there any future or not? Certainly there is a good future if you learn the lab view. All engineering graduates, I recommend that you have to learn the lab view. What are the main functions it can do? There are wide variety of applications where we can use the lab view. And some of the few applications I have written here. One is data acquisition. So it is one of the important part today. We need the data. If you want to simulate the data, we need first the data. So that data has to be acquired from different sources coming. From different sources, we can take the data and then we can process the data. So one of the important operation of the LabVIEW is that we can acquire the data. And if in a large industry, if you want to control different instruments, we can control using the LabVIEW. And if we need the automation, so without any human intervention, if we need the automation on the control systems, we can implement the LabVIEW there. We can use it for testing and measurement systems. So any industry we can see, it has to be continuously monitored. The measurements which are being taken place at the machines has to be continuously monitored, whether it is an electronic machine or an electrical or any other mechanical machine or any system it is. So we need to continuously monitor its voltages, currents, and different parameters we need to measure. So there is no need to keep for each parameter one instrument. The same LabVIEW can be used as an instrument and measure all the parameters which has to be measured. There is no need of separate instruments here. And if you want to process a signal, we can construct so many digital filters. We have directly available IR and digital FIR filters, and there are so many types of filters present in the LabVIEW in the blocks there. We can just drag a block and we can change the coefficients according to our requirement and then construct a filter very easily and process a signal according to the requirement. And instead of going initially to the physical design, we can construct a virtual instrument here or virtual device here. We can simulate it. After simulating it, we can go for the prototyping. So even for that purpose also LabVIEW is used. And there are large many industries which are using the LabVIEW. We can use it in electronics and semiconductor industry. We can use in automotive industry, aerospace, telecommunications, power and energy, biomedical and healthcare, manufacturing and industrial automation. Even at the engineering or for the research purpose also we can use the LabVIEW. If you want to do any projects or if you want to write any research paper, For them, the simulation results can be obtained using the LabView, and then thus we can write a even any we can also use the LabView. And even the exploration of the gas and oil, there also we can use the LabView. And another major industry where LabView is used is robotics and embedded system. Thank you.